Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Fraser.
And I'm Tara Diversi. Together we're the authors of The Good Enough Diet.
Now, Tara, I was attending an event the other day and someone came up to me and said, well, you shouldn't combine protein and carbs and you shouldn't have this with fruit and I can't have milk with this and they were basically saying that you can only eat protein, carbs or what's the other one? Fat on itself, rather than you can't combine, is what they said.
So this is something that's a common myth, but the truth is that the reason for the myth and the reason for why we do combine foods is exactly the same. So what the myth says is that if you eat protein and carbohydrate by itself, you're going to absorb more nutrients, you're going to absorb food quicker.
Right.
So that's why they say it. Now, why we want you to eat protein and carbohydrates is that we actually want the energy released and the nutrients released in your body steadily throughout the day. So if you eat protein with carbohydrate foods, it reduces the glycemic load of the meal, and it allows your glucose, it allows your insulin to be released slower, which means that you put on less weight and you get more energy for longer. You're not getting that massive spike up and spike down. You've got the energy kind of throughout the day.
Yeah, because one of the principles in the Good Enough Diet is to always combine protein with carbohydrates.
Yeah. So using really good quality carbohydrates, which means high fiber, low GI carbohydrates, multigrain bread, brown rices, wholemeal or whole grain pasta, using that type of carbohydrate and lean protein.
So let's go back to this whole combining thing that they say that the area of your stomach, when you have carbohydrate and protein, that you need different pH levels and all this sort of stuff, and the two can't get digested, and the protein will just go toxic and all this sort of...
So the body is an amazing thing. Now, the stomach acid is like battery acid, it'd burn through anything. So once you start to put food in, it does churn everything up, and your body is able to digest different nutrients at the same time and digest them slowly over time.
So it's all a fallacy.
Yes.
So you can combine food, and in fact we actually encourage you to combine food.
And particularly if you're finding, like for a lot of people that I used to see, they might get really tired or grumpy, or those cravings like 3:30itis, you know of those. So that's where usually the problem for that is not that they actually need more carbohydrate or sugar, which is usually what the kind of band-aid solution is, the quick fix, but they need to have more protein in the morning so the energy lasts them to the afternoon.
So there you have it. Forget all the wishy-washy stuff about you can't combine foods. It's actually a good thing because it gives you sustained energy, helps you lose weight, and makes you feel good.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading The Good Enough Diet.